Are you interested in buying a home? Well, download your home buyer's guide using the description in the link. I'll show you from start to finish what it's like to purchase a home here in Atlanta so that you're comfortable and confident throughout the process. And if you would like me as your realtor, book your discovery call today. Hey, if you love this home tour and would like a video just like this one, shoot me a text. I'll show you how we sell more homes in a shorter amount of time than any other agent in the market. It all boils down to our marketing plan and videography. So I would love to interview for the position and showcase your home just like this one. Now back to the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.